I promise you I did not fall in love with you because I was lost or lonely, but because after knowing you, my heart wanted to make you a permanent part of its world. I still remember that first day when I looked into your eyes and my whole world flipped. I felt so complete and alive, and even the silence between us was comfortable. It was a soul connection that was destined to happen. Every time I look into your eyes, I see my soul staring back at me. And that moment when you hold my hand and my fingers fit in yours perfectly makes me realize we were meant to be. I love you in every possible way. I know I can be insane at times and have bad mood swings. But I promise you that no one can ever think of loving you as much as I do. I can't promise you that dark clouds will never hover over us, or that we will have only rainbows in our future. But I promise you my unconditional love, my honesty, my loyalty, and my complete devotion to you. I promise to be with you through your bad days and good days ahead. I promise you that I will always do my best to make you happy and cheerful. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.